Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to find duplicates in Google Sheet. This process is really simple and easy, and you can see I already opened my Google Sheet and I have written my own data and I want to find the duplicate. Then how can I do it? Simply select all. After selecting all, click on the option Format, and here you can see the option of conditional formatting. Just click on it. On the right side, you can see a window pop up. The first thing is you can see the option of format rule. Click on this, and here you have to choose which type of duplicate you want to find. You want to find text content duplicate, or you want to find greater than or less than. After confirming it, the first thing is you want to find duplicates that appears on the start or that appears at the end. Just like me, I will select text starts with. After selecting here, I need to write that text which I want to find. So just for showing you, I will write B. And now click on this option done. Here you can see all the letters which start with B are highlighted. So by using this method, you can find duplicates in Google Sheet.